Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can create a new email account or Gmail account. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, I'm going to click on this. After going to click on this, as you can see, you will see the option like add account. So you have to click on this. So as you can see, you have to scroll this down. After scrolling, as you can see, you will see the option like the create account. You can choose the category as per your need. For example, I'm going to choose that for my personal use. I'm going to click on this, and now we have to wait for a few seconds. Now we have to write the name. For example, I'm going to write the name Safir, and now I'm going to write Safir Ali and then press the enter. And after that, we have to select our birth date, and I'm going to select the February, and I'm going to write, for example, here 06, and I'm going to write here 2003. I'm going to write 2003, and now we have to select the gender. For example, I'm going to write male, and now you have to click on next. After clicking on the next, we have to provide the email address what we want. For example, I want Safir Ali 0 at 6, and now we have to press the enter. So as you can see, it's already taken. We have to change that. I'm going to write the 3271, and now press the enter. So now we have to generate the password. For example, I'm going to add the password. So as you can see, I have inserted the password. Now we have to press the enter, and now we are going to move to the next section. And finally, we have to insert the number here. Now we need to write the number, contact number. So as you can see, I can't show my number here. You just have to provide the number and you have to hit the next, and the account will be ready to use. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create your new email account. So in this way you can create your account. You just have to enter your number and then press the enter, and your account will be ready to use. So I hope you guys understand this video. So see you guys in the next video.